Raj, and I'm going to make the coolest pencil case ever.
A couple of years back, I really got interested in fine mechanical watches and writing instruments. Currently, I use this pencil case for storing all my stationery, but as I remove it from my backpack, all of the things get distorted. I wanted to make something which is made of hard material and which exemplifies my qualities for watchmaking and kind of entrepreneurial attitude.
Design started with sketching and fixing the dimensions, followed by CAD model making and 3D printing the patterns for mold casting. These pieces were going to form the hinge. The mold was made from foam board casing in which a two-part silicone of equal measure was mixed and poured to form the mold. I removed all the patterns from the mold, and before casting, I used corn flour as a demolding agent and prepared the mold for casting. Then in an iron skillet, I melted tin metal and carefully poured it in the cavity till all the gaps were filled, and took the metal out once it was solidified and finished the operation by completing the product. For making the pattern for the main frame, I made use of 1/4 inch acrylic sheet over a makeshift wooden jig. I used a hot gun for softening the sheet and bent it over 90 degrees and allowed it to cool. Similarly, I made another section and fixed them with hot glue. Next, I used the silicone rubber which I thoroughly mixed and poured over the pattern in the form of the box. After 24 hours, I removed the pattern and was left with a very glossy mold texture. I used clear cast epoxy resin with equal parts of hardener and resin and combined them thoroughly and mixed it and poured it over the mold. After embedding the decorative items in the mixture, I left it to dry. After about 12 hours, I removed the main frame and gave it a final shape when it was still soft to work about. Also, another part of the case was casted. The hinge that I had casted could not rotate through 180 degrees, and hence I redesigned another hinge from brass sheet metal, which I bended using a nose plier. The look of the hinge was quite raw, and hence I gave it some rustic design by some beatings with a hammer. I used 2-shape snap buttons for the lock section, which was glued to the main case. Similarly, I glued the hinges to the back side, which completed the pencil case. Now I am able to carry my passion anywhere and store all my essentials, which serves the purpose and allows it to carry it in my backpack without the danger of getting damaged of any goods stored inside. Thanks for watching.